Imagine a world 1 million years from now, a journey through time and space. Welcome to a speculative exploration of Earth's future. In this voyage, we'll journey into the heart of our planet's geological transformations, witnessing the shifting continents, the rise and fall of majestic mountains, and the relentless dance of tectonic plates. We'll then delve into the marvels of life's evolution, speculating on new species, adaptations, and the vibrant diversity of life in the distant future. From there, we'll explore the potential impact of our own species. We'll consider advanced technologies, futuristic cities, and how human civilization might adapt to our ever-changing environment. We'll also contemplate the possible climate changes over 1 million years and their effects on the habitability of Earth. Finally, we'll turn our gaze towards the cosmos, contemplating potential threats from the vast expanse of space. Let your imagination run wild as we embark on this fascinating voyage into the distant future. Picture the Earth's crust, constantly moving, shifting, creating new landscapes over millions of years. This ceaseless dance of tectonic plates is what shapes the world as we know it. But what might it look like in 1 million years? Imagine a world where continents drift apart and come together, forming new landmasses and reshaping the globe. This is not a work of fiction, but a fact of life on Earth. The continents are always on the move, albeit at a pace slower than a human hair grows. But when you stretch that over 1 million years, the results are astounding. Picture the rise and fall of mountains, akin to the breathing of the earth. The relentless pressures beneath the surface push up new mountain ranges while the forces of weather and erosion work to wear them down. The mighty Himalayas of today may be the rolling hills of the future, and new peaks might pierce the sky where none currently exist. Now, transport yourself beneath the surface to the dynamic world of plate tectonics. These massive slabs of Earth's crust collide, separate, and slide past each other, shaping our world in ways we can barely imagine. They birth new oceans, form vast mountain ranges, and spawn volcanic islands. Plate tectonics is the architect of Earth's past, present, and future landscapes. Let's not forget about the forces of erosion and deposition. Water, wind, ice, and gravity are the sculptors of our world, carving valleys, creating cliffs, and depositing sediments to form new land. Over 1 million years, these forces can transform a landscape beyond recognition. The Earth's geology is a complex, dynamic system, constantly evolving and transforming. It's a testament to the power of time and the relentless forces of nature. As we look forward to the next 1 million years, one thing is for certain: the Earth will continue to change, to evolve, to surprise us with its geological transformations. As the saying goes, the only constant in life is change, and the Earth's geology is no exception. Now, consider the teeming life that populates our planet, ever-evolving, adapting, diversifying. As we venture 1 million years into the future, what might become of this vibrant biosphere? Let's begin with evolution, nature's grand architect. Over millions of years, it has molded life into a myriad of forms, each adapted to survive in its unique niche. So imagine how 1 million more years could shape life on Earth. From the tiniest microbes to the mightiest beasts, all life would continue to evolve, responding to the pressures of a changing world. New species could emerge, each more fascinating than the last. Perhaps we would see creatures with incredible adaptations, honed by 1 million years of survival, reproduction, and competition. Creatures that could thrive in the harshest conditions, withstand extreme temperatures, or even harness energy in novel ways. Consider the diversity of life. Today, Earth is home to an estimated 8.7 million species. Now imagine how this number could explode over 1 million years as life continues to diversify. New ecosystems could appear, each teeming with life in forms we can barely imagine. Forests of towering fungi, oceans filled with bioluminescent organisms, or deserts dominated by plants that have mastered the art of water conservation. Yet, in this future, extinction will still play its part. As new species arise, others will inevitably fade away, unable to adapt to the changing conditions. Extinction is a natural part of evolution, making way for new life to flourish. But what about humans? How might we fit into this picture? Well, that's a question that sparks countless debates and theories. Some speculate that we may evolve into a completely new species, adapted to new environments or technologies. Others propose that we might guide our own evolution, using genetic engineering to perfect our species or even create new ones. As we ponder these possibilities, it's important to remember that evolution isn't a linear process with a fixed endpoint. It's a complex web of interactions, influenced by countless factors from the environment to genetic mutation. It's a process driven by randomness and chance, shaped by the unforgiving sieve of natural selection. And while we can speculate, the truth is that the future of life on Earth remains shrouded in mystery. We can't predict with certainty what new species will arise, what adaptations they might have, or how diverse life will become, but we can be sure that life will continue to evolve, to adapt, and to diversify. It's a testament to the resilience of life on this planet. Life on Earth, a testament to resilience and adaptation, continues its ceaseless dance of evolution. As we journey onward, remember that we are but fleeting observers in this grand story of life, a story that has been unfolding for over 3.5 billion years and promises to continue long after we're gone. But what of us humans? How will our presence shape this future Earth? We're a species known for our ingenuity and adaptability, and our actions leave indelible marks on the planet. As we project 1 million years into the future, we grapple with the question of how human activities might impact our world. Let's consider the realm of technology. It's no secret that we've come a long way since the invention of the wheel. Fast forward 1 million years, and it's almost impossible to imagine the kind of technological advancements we might make. Perhaps we'll engineer cities that float in the sky or under the sea, harnessing renewable energy sources in ways we can barely dream of today. Maybe we'll master nanotechnology, with microscopic robots maintaining our health and infrastructure, or perhaps we'll create technologies that we can't even conceive of yet, reshaping our world in ways that are as revolutionary as the first tools were to our ancestors. But technology is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to solve many problems, but it can also create new ones. How we manage this balance will profoundly shape Earth's future. And it's not just about the physical technology itself, but how we use it. Will we continue to consume resources at an unsustainable rate, or will we find a way to live in harmony with our planet? Now, let's turn our attention to our cities. Today's metropolises are bustling hubs of human activity teeming with people, buildings, and vehicles. In the future, our cities might look radically different. They could be sprawling eco-cities with skyscrapers draped in greenery and streets humming with electric vehicles. Or they might be compact, self-sufficient communities where every building produces its own energy and recycles its waste. These futuristic cities could shape not only the physical landscape of our planet but also the way we live and interact with each other. And what about our adaptation to environmental changes? If Earth's climate continues to change, we'll need to evolve with it. Maybe we'll develop new ways to cool our bodies in hotter temperatures, or design clothing that can protect us from extreme weather. Perhaps we'll even modify our own bodies, becoming a species that can thrive in a wide range of climates. As we look to the future, it's essential to remember that our actions today have far-reaching consequences. The choices we make now about technology, urban development, and our relationship with the environment will echo through the millennia, shaping the world that future generations inherit. So, as we continue to evolve and innovate, let's strive to do so in a way that considers not only our immediate needs, but also the long-term health and sustainability of our planet. After all, the future of Earth is not just about what happens to our planet, it's about what happens to us too. The future of Earth is intertwined with the future of humanity, each shaping the other in a never-ending dialogue. Now imagine the Earth's climate. 1 million years from now, how might it change, and how might life adapt? 1 million years is an unfathomable span of time, and the climate, a complex matrix of interrelated elements, can change in ways we can barely begin to comprehend. But let's take a journey into this distant future. The climate of our planet is shaped by a myriad of factors, including solar radiation, greenhouse gases, and the Earth's rotation. In 1 million years, these factors could shift dramatically, leading to new weather patterns and climate zones. Perhaps vast stretches of the planet might transform into desert as the Earth's tilt and orbit change, altering the distribution of sunlight. Or maybe the polar ice caps might grow or shrink, causing sea levels to rise or fall dramatically and reshaping our coastlines. In response to these climate changes, life on Earth would need to adapt or perish. Species that thrive in today's climate may not survive in the Earth of 1 million years hence. New species, suited to the altered environment, might emerge, while others could evolve to survive in these new conditions. Think of the polar bear, a creature perfectly adapted to the frozen Arctic. If the ice caps were to melt, the polar bear might face extinction. But over 1 million years, Could it evolve into a new species, adapted to a warmer climate? Similarly, plants would also undergo dramatic changes. With shifts in temperature and precipitation, forests might turn into grasslands, and vice versa. New types of vegetation adapted to the future climate could arise, providing food and shelter for the future's fauna. Human beings, if we're still around, would also need to adapt. Our cities, agriculture, and entire way of life would need to change in response to the new climate. We might need to develop new technologies to survive in this unfamiliar world, building our homes in different locations, perhaps even underground or underwater. But the story doesn't end there. The Earth's climate has always been in flux, and a million years from now, it will continue to change. New ice ages may come and go, continents may shift, and volcanic eruptions could spew vast amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere, further altering the climate. In this ever-changing world, life will need to continue evolving, adapting, and innovating to survive. It's a daunting prospect, but also a testament to the resilience and creativity of life on Earth. The climate, ever-changing, ever-shaping life, holds the key to the future habitability of our planet. Life a million years from now might be unrecognizable to us, but one thing's for sure, it will be shaped by the climate, just as it always has been. Beyond our planet, the cosmos looms, full of wonders and threats alike. As we hurtle through space on this blue marble, we are subject to the whims of the universe, and these can come in many forms. Cosmic threats are very real, and could dramatically change the course of life on Earth. Picture a meteor, a silent harbinger of doom hurtling through the void of space. Meteors have shaped our planet's history before. One famously led to the extinction of the dinosaurs around 65 million years ago. In a million years, who's to say we won't face another such event? The impact of a sufficiently large meteor could trigger a mass extinction, altering the course of evolution forever. But meteors aren't the only threats lurking in the cosmic shadows. Our very own sun, the life-giving star at the heart of our solar system, can pose a threat too. Solar flares, massive eruptions of energy from the sun's surface, can have catastrophic effects. A particularly strong solar flare could disrupt our planet's magnetic field, causing widespread technological failure and fundamentally altering our way of life. Space is also home to black holes, supernovae, and gamma-ray bursts, each with their own devastating potential. A close enough supernova could bathe the Earth in deadly radiation, while a gamma-ray burst, the most powerful explosion known in the universe, could strip away our planet's ozone layer in an instant. Of course, these events are all based on our current understanding of the cosmos and are incredibly rare. The chances of these threats materializing within the next million years are slim, but they do exist. It's a reminder of our place in the universe, a testament to the fragility and resilience of life. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, Earth is but a single thread, subject to the whims of the universe. Our planet's fate, like our own, is ultimately intertwined with the mysteries of the cosmos, a dance with destiny on a stage a million years wide. As we conclude this journey, remember, the future is a realm of infinite possibilities. We've peered into the looking glass, speculating on a million years hence. We've considered shifting continents, new species, advanced societies, and potential cosmic threats. Yet these are but conjectures in the grand scheme of time. Our planet, a dynamic entity, constantly reshapes itself. Life evolves, adapts, and diversifies in ways we can barely comprehend. Human civilization, too, is a shapeshifter, capable of great progress and profound change. The climate and the cosmos may throw curveballs our way, but resilience is a hallmark of life on Earth. However, this exploration is speculative at best. We can't predict the future with certainty. The variables are too many, the equations too complex. But isn't that the beauty of it? The mystery, the unpredictability, the endless possibilities? What are your thoughts on Earth's future? Share your ideas, subscribe for more intriguing content, and join us as we continue to explore the wonders of science.